Hey, landscapers, let me ask you a question. If someone offered to buy your landscaping business tomorrow, would they be buying a business or would they be buying a job that you built for yourself? Because here's the real truth. There are landscaping companies doing $300,000 a year that are miserable. Actually, there are $3 million companies in the landscaping business that are miserable. Why? The difference isn't revenue. The difference is about control. Today, I want to show you what I call a level 10 landscaper. What's that mean? It's a picture I have where every business owner in the landscaping or lawn care business should be working towards building a business that runs by itself, that gives you your life back, that you aren't drowning in chasing the details and getting stuff done, but you're actually building systems where the business runs for you. If we've never met before, my name is Jim. I run an accounting and tax firm. I've been so for the last 21 years. I've helped countless contractors, landscapers, lawn care owners to minimize their taxes, maximize their profit, optimize their cash flow, be able to run an insanely profitable business, which is really the only measure of success. And here's what I've learned. Most landscapers don't have a revenue problem. What they have is a financial control problem. Let's put it that way. I'm going to show you exactly what level 10 looks like and how to know if you're getting there. So most landscapers believe this, first of all, if I can just get some more customers, if I can just hire another crew, if I can hit $1 million, everything will get easier. It really doesn't work that way, however. It doesn't get easier because growth doesn't fix broken systems. It magnifies them. If you're losing 10% today, you'll lose even more at twice the size. If your pricing is weak, it'll be even weaker at twice the size. You'll just work twice as hard. If cash flow is unpredictable today, more trucks won't be the answer. The goal isn't to build a bigger landscape company. The goal is to build a better one. So again, it's not about building a bigger lawn care service. It's building a better one. What's better? It's better in terms of control, financial control, profitability. It's not about being busy. It's not about having lots of crews and lots of customers. It's about having a business that works for you and grows profit for you. So what does level 5 look like? Here, let's start there. This is where many landscapers and lawn service owners live today. They're probably doing somewhere between 500,000 and 600,000 a year in total revenue. You know, if you're in that category, you're busy, really busy. You're mowing, you're answering phones, you're hiring, you're purchasing equipment, you're collecting checks, you're putting out fires all day long. People look at you and say, hey, he's doing well. That's a successful business, but they don't see what's happening behind the scenes, right? You don't really know what your profit per lawn is. You don't really know what customers make you money. Bookkeeping is always behind. Tax season is super stressful. You're working 60 hours a week and wondering why there's not enough left to show for it. You're not lazy, not at all. You're just trapped. Then comes level 7, 3, maybe 5 crews, an office manager. You've got some systems in place. Revenue might be over $1 million at level 7. And again, from the outside, everything looks incredible, but inside, you're still carrying the business on your shoulders. The phone still rings for you in a lot of ways. Difficult customers still need you. Employees are all looking to you. You have profit, but somehow cash still is tight at times because the growth that got you from level 5 to level 7 actually created more complexity. Instead of one crew running you or needing you, you've got 6 people who need you. And this is where many businesses stall out because they're not bad businesses, but because you never really become the CEO. You never really got to the point where you could get out of the business and it's running, and then you can run the systems for the business. So now let's talk about level 10. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine operating a business where in the morning, you opening your bank account is not because you're worried about what's in the balance. You're just checking. You're just curious. Imagine knowing exactly how much profit each crew is producing this week. Imagine looking at your dashboard or your Monday morning and you already know how much money you're going to make this week, what jobs are losing you money, which employees need coaching, which services should be expanded. That's level 10. It's a picture of financial control. You as the owner aren't guessing anymore. You're leading. The crews know exactly what's expected of them. The routes are optimized. The pricing is intentional and not just by default. Bookkeeping is current, up to date, accurate. Cash flow, you've projected that out months ahead. Taxes are already set aside. April 15th isn't a sticker shock day that drains your bank account and stresses you out. Equipment purchases are planned. They're not emotional. You're not buying just because you feel like if you have another truck, you'll look successful. You're spending your hours hiring, training, reviewing key performance indicators, building systems, finding opportunities, not fixing broken motors or chasing customers, chasing invoices because they're not paying, not answering every customer's phone call. The business can actually function without you for days, maybe even for weeks, and that's freedom. That's a level 10 business. So here's what has surprised me after working with business owners for years. The biggest change isn't the revenue, it's the identity. So level 5 asks, what do I need to do today? A level 10 landscaper asks, what systems need to exist so I never have to solve this problem again? That's the mindset shift that changes everything. And here's the question I want you to think about. If your business disappeared somehow, could someone else step in and run it, or would everything stop because you're not there? That's the difference between owning a job and running a business. My goal in this channel is simple. I want to help landscapers and lawn care service owners build businesses that produce more profit, more freedom, more cash flow, and ultimately more life for you. Not because you worked harder, but because you built something better. So, if this video helped you think differently about your landscape business, hit subscribe. Every week, I am sharing practical strategies to help lawn care and landscape business owners become more profitable and the business easier to run. I've actually created a tool called the Profit Per Lawn Calculator. Do you know your profit per stop, your profit per lawn? This is a really good tool to help you because it quickly measures your profitability. You can look at it 1 week, see where you're at, see what actions got you there, change those actions, and then the next week, look at the number again and see if it went up. So you're tracking a profit per lawn that can be invaluable in helping you grow, have more cash in the bank. So when you go to the bank, it's not out of worry, it's just out of curiosity. Click the description. There's a link in the description below. You can get our free profit per stop calculator. That's it for this time. Until next time, so long.